In this video, I'll be sharing with you how to prep a dry skin or how to get your skin ready for makeup during winter or what we call Harmattan down here. So if this looks like what you want, make sure you stick around. Hi lovelies, how you guys doing? It's good to have you back. So in today's video, we'll be talking about how to prep your skin if you have dry skin. I have a detailed tutorial on how to prep your skin if you have oily skin, and I will leave that link here for you. So today we are talking about dry skin. If you're coming across my video for the first time, my name is Joy. So let's just go into this video without wasting much of your time. And if you have a dry skin, please watch this video to the last second. Let's just go into it. So to do your skin prep properly, you need one thing, and that thing is fan. You need your fan to dry in every process. If you already have a fan in the house, it's okay, but if you don't have, you need this to dry in every process. The first thing to do during skin prep is to cleanse your skin, and I'll be doing that using a micellar water. This is the micellar water I'll be using today, and my cotton pad. You wouldn't want to start your makeup on a dirty canvas. So the first thing you need to do is to do what? Cleanse your face. Make sure that the face is properly clean. I do that by just putting few drops of this on the cotton pad, and then I use it to clean my face. Clean every part of my face. Even if you're coming out of the shower, you must not skip this process. Always clean your face. Now that my face is properly clean, we'll now go ahead and start using the products we need to use on the face. The first thing I'm putting on my face is a rose water, and this is the rose water I'll be using. This is the first thing I'm putting on my face. I will just take that with my cotton pad, just like this, and then pat it onto my skin. This helps to hydrate the face. Remember, we are talking about dry skin, so we are doing everything possible to make sure that the face stays hydrated, okay? Yeah. After that, the next product I'm going in with is my serum, and I'll just take that, and then apply a few drops on my face. Yes. And I'm going to pat that in using my hands. And I went ahead to dry that in. Make sure you dry in every process before you start another one, okay? And after that, I'll be going in next with this Neutrogena Hydro Boost. This is a very good hydro boost. It's so moisturizing, like it tries to say. I'll add it on my face. Add it everywhere, and of course the under eye, you should concentrate on adding it to your under eye. Then after rubbing that in, I am also going to dry it with my fan. I'm also going to dry it with my fan. Make sure you dry in every process, okay? And after that, I'll be moving in with my next product, which is this moisturizer. I'll be using my moisturizer. This moisturizer I'll be using, Moisture Potion from MS Cosmetics. I'll just open that. You can put it in your tray or you just put it direct, but I'll just put a bit of it here. And if you're applying your moisturizer, please concentrate on the under eye. Your under eye, concentrate there. Your under eye, you need a lot of it there. Even people with oily skin still need a lot of it They talk more of somebody with a very dry skin, so you need a lot of it. You need a lot of moisturizer, like moisturize so well. Now after applying this moisturizer, you can see that my face is beginning to glow. You see how this face is glowing right now. So you need to use enough moisturizer because you have a dry skin. You don't have enough moisture on your skin. That is why it is dry, and you don't have oil on the skin. You don't have oil on that skin, so you need to moisturize so well. Now that the moisturizer has dried, it's time to move to the next products that I'll be using. After the moisturizer, I'll be going in with our primer, but because it's a dry skin, we will not be using any mattifying primer. Rather, I'll be using this hydrating primer. This particular one is from Omaricode. I don't know if you can see it. It's from Omaricode face hydrating face primer from Omaricode. Even though this primer is hydrating, I will still not advise you to let it touch the under eye, because anything that has to do with primer must not touch the under eye. Yeah. If you watch this primer, it didn't dry out the skin. It didn't give us any matte effects. That's because it's a hydrating primer and it has a bit of moisture and I think a bit of oil in it. So if you have oily skin, you should avoid this type of primer. It is meant only for people with dry skin. So we are just going to give it few times so that my skin will just absorb all the moisture it comes with before I will go in with the next thing I need to put on my face. Okay, now that this has entered the skin, all the hydration has gone into the skin. As you can see, this primer didn't leave my skin dry. It adds to the hydration. It hydrated my skin the more. That's why you need it if you have dry skin or during winter or harmattan. You need this type of primer if you have dry skin. But like I said, if you have oily skin, hydrating primer is not for you because it has a bit of oil in it. So moving on to the next thing I'm going to use is still a primer. So I'll be using Hydro Grip primer. This is the primer I'll be using here. I will not be using anything mattifying. No, I will not use a mattifying primer because you are working on dry skin. As a dry skin babe, you don't need a mattifying primer, except if you have a combination skin. You can now add it for your T-zones, but we are coming to that. So we're moving on to the next one, which is Hydro Grip. This is a Hydro Grip primer, and this one is from where MS Cosmetics. No, from Mismetics. Sorry, this one is from Mismetics. So I will just go ahead and apply these the places I needed. I'll just put it here. Like I said, once it is primer, don't forget to avoid your under eye, okay? Like, did this touch my skin? Yeah. Then I'll go ahead and then blend that in into my skin. This particular primer have a gripping effect. Like, it grips your makeup onto your skin. It will grip your foundation, helping your makeup to last all day. Like, when you see how it's bouncing, this is how it will grip your foundation. It grips your makeup, making it to last all day, and it will make your makeup not to shift. And seriously, I recommend this one from Mismetics. It's really nice. Okay, so this is basically all you need to get your skin prep done as someone that has a dry skin, as someone that have dry skin, this is basically all you need to get your skin prep done. Don't forget, first of all, I use this to make sure that the canvas, the face is very clean. Then I went ahead to hydrate it using a rose water. This is the rose water I used. And after this, I moved on to the serum. This is the serum I use. This vitamin C serum is what I use. Then after that vitamin C serum, sorry, after that serum, I went in with my neutrogena hydro boost. Neutrogena hydro boost. After that, I went in with my moisturizer from Miss Metics. This is the one I use. You can use other ones. Then after that, I applied the hydrating primer. Hydrating primer, and this particular one is from Omaricode hydrating primer. Then after that, I went in with the Miss Metis Aqua Grip. Yes, Miss Metis Aqua Grip. This is the last one I used. So I use how many products to get this done? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just these 7 products are all you need to get your skin prep done as someone that have dry skin. So if you have dry skin, make sure you follow these procedures I've given you in this video. If you want to have a smooth makeup application, make sure you follow these procedures. You don't need to skip anyone if you want your makeup to come out flawless and long lasting. Make sure you follow these procedures, okay? And with that, we come to the end of this tutorial. I hope you've learned how to get your dry skin ready for makeup, or how to get your skin ready for makeup during winter, or what we call harmattan season. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment in the comment section, and of course subscribe to the channel. And if you want to know how I created this simple yet gorgeous look, the video will be right here. See you in my next video. I love you. Bye.